Alright. So here is the BX20 Smart Terence brand. So firstly, we are going to look at the function buttons. Okay, so number one, you'll see there is a button for power on, the screen, the roller for volume up and down, tone, demo, record, play, and metronome. Now don't be deceived by this few functionality you see here. There are more to come. It is all hidden inside the screen. So when I press to turn on, you can see here, right, let's zoom in, alright. So you can see here the screen has the echo, piano, the volume, timbre, and here is the metronome, where we pianists use it for controlling our timing when playing. So when you use the roller to control the volume will change. How to go into the hidden features? So first of all, you press and hold the roller, and you'll see here tempo. Then here are all the hidden features: sleep mode, the velocity, drum kit, vibrato, sustain, learn. Now for the learn part, I read in the manual that it says there is lights when you turn on the demo, but for some reason there is no light. So it could be that it is for another model, but there is a learn function. It does work kind of, but you will not know where to press. So yeah, for me the learn doesn't do much. If you know how to do it, please comment. The chord, split, pitch, tempo back. So right, we are done. Now we can go back. So to change this echo piano, all you need to do is press the tone and scroll it, and you see there are multiple tones here. These are all secret hidden features that you have to do different ways in order to unlock the features. So this is kind of like the, if you see cartoons like Ben 10 with their secret features in the watch, but if you don't know it, then it is just secret. Okay, so other than that, let's see the demo. Yep, okay, that's it. I don't want to be copyrighted, so alright, so that is all. And the metronome. Yep, that's it. Alright, so you have to click 4 times in order to stop it. So now we are done with the features and the hidden features. Let's go into the ports. Alright, so the ports are hidden behind of the piano. It's right here. So what does it have is USB-C right here, and this is the headphone jack, mic, MP3, and the sustain pedal. Right, so here it gives you a sustain pedal out of the box. If you want to use it, you can. If not, you can decide not to. So let's begin on the piano itself and test it out, as I know a lot of you are waiting for it. Alright, so now let's test it out. I will put the volume up to number 10 in order not to disturb the neighbors. So first of all, let's test out this central location where you will normally use. Right, so let's test the high pitch. And then now let's test the other side. Alright, so now you've heard the sound quality. Now let me begin by saying the sound quality is good. It is not great, but it is not also a deal breaker if you're going to buy this as a beginner or into the advanced stage. Now you can make it better by just reducing the volume up to number 5 or 6, then it will make it sound more, better. Alright, so this is number 5. So normally I will play on number 5 because the sound quality are better. Alright, that's it. So in order not to have copyright, so that is how it sounds like. Now let's go into the sensitivity of this keyboard, piano. There is touch response. So if you press soft, it's very soft. If you press harder, it's louder. So this keyboard does come with it, and of course you cannot have the exact classic piano sound system, but it does have the feature at least. So this is around 2-ish. So it is good enough even for my long fingers, where I don't accidentally press another key most of the time. Now the only thing is, this one is not the same as other pianos where it has a smooth surface on other piano. This piano itself is a bit rough. I'm okay with the quality even though it's rough. So yeah, if you don't like it, then it's a deal breaker for you, but for me it is not a deal breaker even though it's a bit rough, not as smooth as other piano. But other than that, you will get also the other feature is this is portable. You can actually fold it and make it smaller. It comes with this for your book stand and a bag, the USB-C charger cable, plus a MIDI, a manual, okay, not this, the sustain pedal, the adapter for the charging, and yeah, that's it. Now the USB-C doubles as a MIDI charger, plus you can actually use with your power bank. Now before folding the piano, I would like to show you this. This is a lock where you can lock it here just in case that you're afraid it will bend, but normally I don't use this because it's on the table, plus it is locked by the back. There is a slider, so whenever you open it, it will lock, and only by the slider you can unlock it. So behind here you can see the slider. Now this slider is the one that locks it in place, so that's why you cannot see it flexing. If I were to just slide it, voila, it's open. So how it works is this latches in and locks it in place. So if I want to do it, boom, it's locked. So if I try to flex it, it's not able to. But of course, if you want a more rigid lock, then you have to use that pin again. So let's show you. Unlock it. And that is all. So now it is smaller and easier for you to move around, and it's not even that heavy. You can actually carry this to places. I would recommend this because it has all the features, everything you would want in a piano. To get this, if you're in a beginner and you're going to an advanced, and even in advanced stage, you could keep this, or you could buy a higher tier keyboard. So this is a volume test just to see how high can it go. Alright, so it's volume 16. this is volume 1. Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas! Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment. Below here there is my previous videos. To the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is the playlist of my previous and new videos that is to come. So please check that out, and thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber Ramos signing out.